welcome back. Hello, welcome to Cocktail Line Fireworks. Woo! Yay! Thank you.
Right, oh, look at Kieran, he's run off down the street.
No, sorry.
Silly me. That just burned and landed in their garden.
Did you see about the orange bit?
Yeah.
Flying in there.
Do you remember when your helicopter landed in their garden?
Yeah.
And we never got it back because we died asked.
I think Jay told me about that.
Literally just moved in and everything. Get a normal one, Jay. Like the box super.
Same literally in all directions, can't you?
Yeah. It was pretty loud earlier, about an hour or so ago.
Loud. Oh, it's some more fireworks. But
I can't believe it's like
thank you.
loud.
And don't forget to
Like
subscribe to our channel, Coke High Sweet. Subscribe to Star Wars Gaming, subscribe to Kieran the Singer, and subscribe to Georgia Luigi Pie, George's channel, and my channel, Samuel's channel, Kieran's channel. And also thank you for my 18 subscribers, and thank you for watching my channel. And yeah.
What? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Or sick now?
Yeah, it just got planted and stayed.
Oh look, fireworks! More fireworks! Yay!
Apart from you just missed it. Yeah.
Yay! Bloody yay!
Well, that thing went down, didn't it? The LBGT fucking
Look, we got some more fireworks! Yay!
I was expecting a gay community or people in deck chairs to appear on me.
Are you videoing it all?
Yeah.
Right, okay, go on.
Jay, wait a minute, darling.
Bitch.
Now do it.
Go.
You ready?
Yay!
Woo!
Make it tired and get fireworks this year.
Yeah, we should quite a dog on him.
You cocks now, piece of shit.
I don't fucking have to be civil with it. Come on, babe, I can't even talk.
Right, 2 seconds, mate.
No, exactly. Jake! What are you doing, man? There's more drink on bloody floor than... Oh, no,
that was me.
Rain, it's called rain. It's in Britain, it's called rain.
When the firework went off.
Yeah.
On the phone. Whoops.
Yeah, exactly.
I think that one need that little...
Sorry, guys. Well, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you. And also subscribe to Jake Fuckingham's channel, Jake Cozy Corner as well.
This one's unique, by the way.
Unique.
Yeah, I signed our names on it.
Jeez, that's going to go pear-shaped then.
Sorry, guys. More fireworks are just coming on right now. Yeah, it'll be coming right now.
But she wasn't, I had it there.
Here they are. Here the lovely fireworks are coming
What
now.
are you doing?
I put everyone's first initial in it.
Oh.
Ah,
Oh.
so cute.
Oh, yay!
Whoa, that's not even looking fake, Jay.
That does look
Wait a minute, it's people over at Road, you know. Look at it, why not?
Oh, he's probably not thinking of hit someone else. Well, that was pretty good, that one.
So, this is bonfire night. Bonfire night is what we do on the 5th of November every year in Britain. In the UK, it's bonfire night. And this is something like that Guy Fawkes who got arrested. I think he got arrested for something. I don't know, but yeah, something. It's what in the UK we celebrate Guy Fawkes Day. Remember the 5th of November. On the 5th of November, we have fireworks every year on November the 5th across the UK.
I think we still sat one, lad. Or is this for your American followers?
Yeah.
What?
To make America great again.
You know that.
And also, happy Thanksgiving. I think it might be in a few weeks to you. to our American viewers, happy Thanksgiving, and yeah, and also I know there's a presidential election, so who do you think will win? Kamala Harris or Donald Trump? Also, thank you to all our American, British, or wherever you're from viewers, and thank you for your good support. I love you guys, and you're amazing.
That is
Is that
well
not
done.
sliding in anything like
It's
that?
not even, no, he's just...
Well, happy 5th of happy
Jay, you'd have to wish
bonfire
it was.
night to everyone in Britain, and
And you,
well,
did you snap
and
it?
happy whatever you celebrate across the world,
Safety thing.
and thank you to all my viewers.
See if that goes
Yeah.
off in my garden again, yeah, I'm crying.
Fireworks are really good in Britain. I know Americans do have it as well.
And it pinged off into the corner, my Jakey stood there. Woo!
Wasn't that great, guys?
Amazing! Oh, sorry, the little ember.
That's what they call the orange
Embers.
things, embers.
You know, Leah, I am educated, darling, believe it or not.
I'm not.
Nobody believes me, but I am. Same without even freaking think about it before I do it. That's Hilda I work with from Bradford.
Hilda?
Yeah.
Bradford.
72 to me, you won't think it's after all.
Hilda?
And also, comment down
Why?
below, see what also other kind of videos you want to see doing. Vlogs, vlogs. Do you want to see more fireworks videos? Do you want to see more DVD collections? Do you want to see more like teddy collections? Do you want to see more skit videos? Do you want to see some challenges? Just comment down below and I'll do it. And hopefully I can get lots of subscribers, lots of thumbs up, and yeah. And thank you guys and everyone, all my bros and sisters, thank you. And subscribe to Kokai Sweet, Star Wars Gaming, Sam's channel, and subscribe to Kieran the Singer, Kieran Harrison's channel, and subscribe to Georgia Scout High, George's channel, and Shake Cozy channel, Shake Huskins channel. And also thank you for the support and likes and subscribers and viewers.
And I was going down Whitegate Drive, and this guy was just eating knob because there was somebody on a bike, and I'm literally like, this guy is miles away from you. Just go
Well,
past
fireworks,
him, right
guys.
hand green, go, go, go. And look down like that. The window! I was like, I'm just going to ignore it. Oh, mate, I was wanting to chase him. And
This guy thought was the guy who was in the House of Parliament.
It's quite a lot, that, but if we chase people.
I had a guy chasing with these little kids, like little, we've been swimming at Moore Park. So, we were going up St Walburgers and it's 2 lanes. So I went, watch this Top Gun move, mate. Hit the brakes and fly on by! And he did as well, and I just scooted off into the middle of the lane, and that's going to hit the fence.
Go, guys.
Down.
More
It's going.
fireworks
It's
videos.
flying.
More fireworks. Guys, don't worry, patient dog.
Sorry.
It's coming, just be a second.
That'd be that would kill me. I can't help myself, I'm just taking this out of the room. You ready? Woo! Woo! Alright then, throw your jacket out. Sorry.
Well, fireworks. Well, fireworks. Comment down below. Do you like fireworks? I know Americans they celebrate 4th of July. With fireworks. I know you guys are big on it as well over there, and we're big on it here in the UK.
Now I'm fucking looking at a prison game. Brilliant.
Right, we're ready for the finale.
Is this the finale?
Yep. You guys ready for the finale? The finals?
Not enough smoke going on.
Yeah, I like fireworks. Yeah, bonfire night's great. If you're from the UK or you're in the UK and if you celebrate bonfire night, it's great, isn't it? You ready for? Are you ready for the grand finale, the grand final? Go guys, it's coming in just in a minute.
We out here. We out here, though. We out here.